How to use Amazon gift card balance for purchase. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away because it's actually super easy to do. Now all you want to do is first of all make sure that you are actually signed into your account. Now then you can actually go to account settings right over here or this account overview and you have this gift card icon right over there. So here redeem a gift card. Now, if you were to click on this, you can actually see that you have to apply it to your balance right over here. Now, how do I find the code? Well, it's a 14 or 15 characters long on the back of the card. You have to scratch this sort of like line off of your card and then the actual code will be revealed. Now, then you can add it, put it in here and then apply it to your balance. That's how you can actually do this. You can also go to your payments and here you can also add rewards and balances. So you can add a gift card or redeem a gift card right there. Now, how do you actually use this? Well, let's say I were to just go to, I can just click on buy now. Now here where you have to choose the payment method, you can add a card and everything like that, but you also have your available balance. So here you can enter a gift card or voucher. Now I don't have any balance, as you can see, and that's why I still have to enter the code from that gift card, which I showed before. But if you have already redeemed your gift card, then instead of where I have to enter the code, it should give you a balance. Now, whether it is enough to actually pay the amount or not will not really matter, because then this will also pop up either way to add more to your balance. But this is basically where it will show up. So right under the payment method selection. And yeah, that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. And let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time.